What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the Pixel 4a and Android 12, the Android 12 beta on the Pixel 4a. And I do have it on my Pixel 4 as well. A video of that will be coming as well as this one too, the one you're watching. But without further delay, let's just see how Android 12 beta 1 looks like on the Pixel 4a and if you should install this. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so as we get into it, we take a look at the lock screen. And looking at the lock screen, you're seeing the font in the time right there. It's definitely much larger. It has changed. And since I am screen recording, I can't really show you how it is. But once you get rid of every single notification, the time takes up the entire screen of the lock screen. In fact, let me show you on the Pixel 4a. So this is kind of what it looks like on Pixel 4a. It takes up the entire screen. I like it. I like it. Pixel 4 and Pixel 4a, they're both good phones. Anyway, let's get into the home screen. Now, when we get into the home screen, right now, when we look at it, it doesn't look too different, right? Or when we scroll left or right, it doesn't look that much of a difference. Now, remember, this is the beta, and it's not the stable build, so there's still a lot of features missing, in which Google said they will be rolling out in certain betas, in public betas 1, 2, and obviously when the stable one does come out in Q3, we're going to be getting more features. Now, the most important thing to remember with Android 12 is what Google calls what was it called? Material U. So they call it Material U. It's kind of a overhaul in design, a redesign. It is not material design, it is Material U, as in Y-O-U. U. That's right. So, notification bar or notification screen, whatever you want to call it, it's got a overhaul. It's changed. We got pill-shaped icons, and let's say when you click on one, there's like that little sparkle, that little effect when you click on like a auto rotate turn off. That little sparkle, just like the little effects. That's what I like. Google is playing cool, and also like, for example, when you're turning or lowering in the brightness and turning it on and increasing the brightness. It's just cool how this redesign is coming to Pixel devices, and I feel like this redesign particularly is going to be more so of an Android skin. Anyway, let's just decrease the brightness a little bit. Alright, actually let's do it a little bit more. There we go. So, like I said, home screen, we don't see too much. There are some design overhauls in some Google apps. As of right now, I don't have any. Calculator, for example, it is the same. There is no change in that as of right now. But, for example, when we go to the app drawer, we can see like just like the effects it has. Like it's just like you notice like it's, if you feel like the apps are kind of bumping into each other and they just like get to a pivot and they stop really quickly. Anyway. So there's small changes, small effects that Google really does play really well with here. Now, there is one thing I noticed with the beta is when I go to settings and I go to about phone and I go to Android version, it says Android version S, which is correct. It's the letter number for Android 12. Now, when I click on it and I want to see what number it is, right? Android 11. That's weird. I think they just made a mistake there. It's kind of weird. Or I believe if I go to system and system update, it will say your system is up to date in Android 11, my last security update. So clearly it is a beta, which is why it is a public beta. So really anyone can download if they really wanted to, but they put it here for reasons. There are still a lot of things missing. There could be a lot of bugs, although as of right now, for the past day and a half, 2 days in my use, I haven't come across any issues whatsoever. Now, you do look at the settings app, and that does have some change to it, definitely for sure. Now, the one thing that Material You does also come with is theming. But as of right now, it is not present in the Pixel 4a or in Android 12's public beta at all. Google has commented saying this will roll out in the stable beta and the stable build when it comes out in Q3 of 2021. With Android 12, there also is a couple other, obviously there's updates and privacy and whatnot, but there is another feature that I want to show you guys, and that is when you go to settings and you go to system, you're going to go to gestures. Now there is tap on back, but I was not able to find it here on the Pixel 4a, so either it has not come out yet on a stable build or it's just currently present on the Pixel 5. I am not sure. If you do know, let me know in the comments down below which feature back, the tap on the back of your phone, which is it present or if it's not. Anyway, so a feature here that's been added, when you go to power menu, you can do hold for assistance with the power menu. So it says trigger the assistance by holding the power button, and I turn that on. Let's hold the power button. There we go. Now we're getting Google. Hey Google, what's up? Open youtube.com/mtg productions. Bam. That was pretty cool. So guys, MTG Productions, that's my channel. 8.22 subscribers at the time of this recording. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and comment down below and give it a like. It does help out the channel a lot. Anyway, moving on. So we do have that when you turn the power button, obviously it's going to turn on Google Assistant. So let's turn that back off. Gestures, power button, hold for assistant. There we go. So there is that feature as well. With Android 12 Beta 1, there are a lot of new features that Google has announced, and they are missing in the first public beta build, and they will be coming. For example, Privacy Dashboard will be coming in the second beta, which is apparently coming in June, so be on the lookout. There's a lot of privacy improvements with this beta. Now, when I click on the volume rocker buttons, you're seeing Material You is present here as well. I like it. I like this whole pill design. I just like how it gives a different feel to it. And let's change it from green. I'm sick of green. I don't want to see green. Let's see. There be any way to change green? Choose font, choose color. Let's choose. There we go. Shape is fine. There we go. So now we got blue pills and blue icons, and you can obviously change which quick settings, which of your panels are in the quick settings. But literally the notification bar is getting a huge redesign overhaul. I like it. I really do. I like the lock screen as well. It's great. And let's turn on the camera. And it's still recording. That's great. So honestly, it's a nice build to it. I like Android 12 right now, but the reason why I have this is because this is an extra device of mine, the Pixel 4a. I love it. I absolutely love the device, and if you're rocking a Pixel 4a as your main, it's great. But the question comes, would I personally recommend downloading the Android 12 beta on your Pixel, whatever device you have, your Pixel 3, Pixel 4, 4a, Pixel 5? I would say yes and no. I would say yes if you really are wanting to try out the new Android 12 beta and you cannot wait until the fall, go right ahead. But be sure that it's a beta in the end. So there may be bugs, you may come across some issues, you may not. So just you have to keep that in mind. And or you can wait until the fall when the stable build does come out. And I would say no, like I said, because you just don't know 100% if there's going to be any bugs or any other problems or whatnot. Or you may just not like it. So you may watch this video and be like, let me get a sense of how it looks on the Pixel 4a. This is more so not what is new about Android 12, but how it looks on the Pixel 4a. I like it. I do. It's a compact device anyway. If you're rocking Pixel 4, let me know in the comments down below. I like this device, and I hope Google does continue this mid-range compact size. But that's pretty much it in this episode. I hope you guys did enjoy this hands-on of the Pixel 4a running the Android 12 public beta 1. If you did, be sure to comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and best of all, share the video, as it does help out the channel a lot and will push my content to more viewers. Anyway, that's it from me, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.